How to tie the triple loop bowline. 1, 2, 3. First thing we need to do is form a bight in our rope, and then we need to take enough of our rope to one side in order to tie the actual triple loop bowline, as it is rather cord hungry. Next thing we do is we form a loop at this point here. So we're going around, underneath itself, over, and then off to our bight. We then take the bight of our rope and we pass the bight up through the loop that we've just created. So pass it up through that loop, take enough through, and then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take that bight underneath these two here, which are on the standing end. So take it round underneath and then pass it back down through that loop that we created previously. And as you can see now, as I pull up on this, we've now created a 3-loop bowline. You can adjust this so that these 3 loops are of different sizes.